Let's talk about the train. Let's talk about the train. Guys, listen. If a train crosses a standing person, if a train crosses a standing person, then train will cover its own distance. Let's talk about the train distance. Okay. If a train crosses a man, crosses a standing man, or a pole or tree or something vertically, okay, then train will cross its own length to cross this man. If a train crosses a platform, then train will cross t plus p, that is train plus platform length to cross this platform. Perfect. Now if a train crosses a tunnel, then to cross this tunnel, train will cross train plus tunnel length. If a train if a train crosses another train in the opposite direction, then to cross each other, they will cross T1 plus T2 distance. If a train crosses the second train in the same direction, then first train will cover the distance of T1 plus T2 to cross the second train. Always remember one thing, distance is added, okay, but in the case of speeds, this must be subtracted, but in case of distance, this must be added. Take the screenshot and note it in the comment box. As you all know, speed is equal to distance upon time. When distance is fixed, then speed is inversely proportional to time. When time is fixed, then speed is and distance is having same ratio as speeds. So you can say distance is directly proportional to speed. Okay, if time is fixed, suppose the speed of first bus is 50 km per hour and speed of second bus is 60 km per hour, and both the buses are running for 1 hour only, then obviously they will cover 50 km and 60 km. This is what I am saying. If time is fixed, the ratio of speeds is equal to the ratio of time. You can write like this also, ratio of speed is equal to ratio of distance. In this, take the screenshot. We will discuss in detail, don't worry. First of all, let's discuss this question. Suppose this is a track and here we have a bus like this, okay. This bus is running 40 kilometers distance with 60 kilometer per hour speed, and bus covers next 50 kilometer distance with 50 kilometer per hour speed, and bus covers 60 kilometer distance with 40 kilometer per hour speed. you need to find out the average speed. This is the question. Okay, average speed is equal to total distance 40, 50, 60. 40 plus 50 plus 60 divided by total time. What is total time? Total time is, yes, what is time? Time is equal to distance upon speed. Now, so bus covers 40 km distance with 60 km per hour speed. Next 50 km distance with 50 km per hour speed, and next 60 km distance with 40 km per hour speed. So solve this and get. It is not important to solve this completely here. Okay, I'm just telling you how to use this formula.